Why did the kid eat her homework?
I don't know.
Because her teacher said it was a piece of cake. I'm going to visit Violet, who's a creative kid who made over her own bedroom at the age of 6 years old. Now, at the age of 8 years old, she's decided it needs a facelift. So in exchange for my help, she's gonna get creative in the kitchen and bake us up some sweet treats. Oh my goodness. What happened on your wall?
I painted it.
You did paint it. Are you an artist?
A little bit.
Can you explain what's happening here?
I didn't really know what I was going for. My mind just took me to a place.
Your mind just took you to a place?
Yeah.
That happens to me all the time.
This was what I came home to one evening after work. It was quite interesting.
So what is your inspiration? What makes you want to be an artist?
I didn't really have an inspiration. I just love doing it.
Do you think it's time that we did something new to your room?
Yeah.
What does Mom think
Yeah,
about that?
I think that would be a much better idea, Scott.
I heard you might be a chef as well. Is that true? What kind of chef are you?
I'm a baker.
What could you make me today?
I can make you hamburger cupcakes.
I love hamburgers. I love cupcakes, but I don't know if I like them together.
It's not what you
How
think.
much meat do you put in the cupcake?
There's no meat.
I think between you and I, we can come up with a plan that you're gonna love and your mom's gonna be okay with as well.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you two to
Deal.
it, okay? High five, I'll see you guys later.
We'll show you our finished product.
Okay, cool.
You excited to change the color of your bed frame?
Yep.
You know what color that is?
Yeah.
What color?
Violet.
Try to keep it nice and even. You work that way, I'll work this way.
Okay.
You got any good jokes?
Yeah, kind of. What do eggs do for fun?
I don't know, what do eggs do for fun?
Karaoke.
Karaoke. Let's say your mom walks in and is like, oh, Violet, what have you done to your bed? What are you gonna say?
Scott McGillivray helped me.
What? No, you're totally messing this up. What if they say, Violet, this is really amazing.
I did it myself.
What? Now that is a work of art. So mature, that's so 8 years old, 9 years old, no?
It is.
One more, careful. Ow, you got a hard one. We're gonna take it from a bit of a mess to a little more sophisticated, you know, 8, 9-year-old sophisticated, of course.
So I am going to be taking this cupcake and cutting it in half. This glass and cut out a circle shape. And there you have it, a hamburger cupcake.
Barbecue that? What's going on here? I'm super excited and totally freaked out by what I'm seeing here. Cupcake burger time.
All right, Mom's gonna try one too.
Are you kidding me right now? Look at this thing.
It does look like a real burger in there.
Come on. It looks like a hamburger, but it tastes like dessert. You excited about your new room? Are you gonna freak out when you see it?
Maybe.
You ready? Boom!
I love it. Love it.
Boom. Chalk wall, magnetic wall. You can go crazy on here, and then we can still erase it.
Yeah.
So your parents don't freak out too much. How about our handiwork on the bed frame? What about that color?
I like it.
Now, I wanted to do something fun on this wall, but not quite as messy as your work. But it's kind of like a wild and crazy, let your imagination roam. This is to let the ideas flow. I want you to think about how you're feeling. You love it or what?
Uh-huh.
Nice work. You gonna get a hug out of this, or a sweaty hug today?